Hi there, it's Masker here. We've had so many requests from you guys to be able to provide more training on site for the different operators for our hydrovacs. So we've come up with a simple QR code on the truck where you can scan it and it'll bring up all the information you need on that particular item of the truck. So here we've got our control panel, we've got our fresh water, and we've got our e-stops. So we can scan that and it'll bring up the section of the video. It'll send you to YouTube and you'll be able to go through that training there. And likewise, we've got one here for the hydraulic tank, so that talks about the cooling. And on the other side, we've got all the functionality of the vacuum pump and the cleaning of the filters, the diesel flush, and the daily checks. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and it provides beneficial for you. So it's super simple. You grab your smartphone, open the camera, go to the QR code, tap it, and it comes up with show options, and then you can either open it in your browser or you can copy it to your phone so you've got it at a later date. So we'll open it in the browser and it takes you straight to our YouTube channel, and there you go, you tap to unmute and it goes and shows you the whole operation for that. We're talking about the fresh water. So super simple. So I hope you guys find it beneficial to be able to use this in the field, and if you need more information, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.